1. After we have completed the PCB settings, click Material Settings. 2. Name is the specification, footprint is the footprint name, stack is the stack number. Green means that the material isn't in the material library, and red means that the footprint isn't in the footprint library. If there are many materials, you can use the quick filter or search to check the stack. All signed stacks are displayed here. Only the front stack is displayed. Only the back stack is displayed. Only the vibration feeder displayed. Only the trace stack is displayed. Only the bulk stack is displayed. Only the stack can be filtered after the material is assigned a stack. You can also search the name in the search box. 3. You can synchronize the materials to the material library to facilitate the subsequent binding of materials and feeders. You can see the synchronized data in the material library. 4. Turn to the File and edit the material. 5. Right-click the material to be modified and click Modify Footprint. You can add a new footprint. 6. Modified footprint parameters, when the picking test is wrong for the newly added footprint. Footprint name. The footprint's length of size X. The footprint's width of size Y. The thickness of footprint. The deviation of footprint. Select a nozzle according to the footprint size. Alignment. None means no correction. 3D sensor is the down-looking camera. When the material size is less than 6 mm, select 3D laser camera to correct the material. Camera is the up-looking camera. When the material size is greater than 6 mm, select camera. Top equals 0. 1 means the camera scans the component 0.1 mm below the upper surface. Middle means the middle position of the scanned component. Bottom equals 0. 1 means the camera scans the component 0.1 mm above the lower surface. Keep the range as default. 7. Modified stack. You can set the tape and reel, vibration feeder, tray, bulk. 8. Sort by stack. It will be displayed in this order: empty stack, front stack, back stack, vibration stack, tray, bulk. 9. Synchronized to other material. Synchronize the current material information to other material. 10. Synchronize this material information to library. Synchronize this material information to the material library. 11. Skip all stacks. All materials in the material settings will be skipped, and it will show gray. 12. Enable all stacks. Enable all skip materials. 13. Line stack. Align the current stack. 14. Line all stacks. Align all material stacks that have been allocated. 15. Auto line. Align the picking position. If there is a lot offset, the align will fail. 16. Feed. Move one component forward. When you find that the feed value is wrong, you can refer to the tutorial about how to use the feeder. 17. You can choose the color of the cross cursor to deal with different scenarios. 18. You can select the accuracy mode. If it is IC and BGA, you can select high. The mounting speed will be reduced. Similarly, the speed of the low mode will be improved. You can choose according to your scenarios. 19. Pick speed. The larger the value, the faster the speed at which the nozzle picks up the component. The adjustment range is 1-150. 20. Place speed. The larger the value, the faster the speed which the nozzle places the component. The adjustment range is 1-150. 21. Moving speed. Refers to the speed of XY axis movement. The larger the value, the faster the speed. The adjustment range is 1-100. When mounting ICS or heavier materials, you need to reduce the value of picking, placing, moving speed. 22. Skip refers to skipping this material. When using a pneumatic feeder, it is necessary to connect to the compressor and turn on the air source. 23. Click Advanced. Pick delay, the vacuum establishment delay of the component taking action. The longer the delay, the more stable the component section. When mounting ICS or heavier materials, you need increase the value. You can refer to 0.05 to 0.1. Place delay, the vacuum destruction delay during placement. The larger the delay, the less likely it is to be brought back. ICS, biggest transistors, and lamp beads need to increase delay. You can refer to 0.01 to 0.1. Dump delay, it can generally remain at the default value. Pick height. The most suitable height is when the head just touches the surface of the component. The default value is -5. The largest value is -18. Choose the suitable head. Test to pick height. You can directly pull down height, then use the arrows to fine-tune the height. After the value is confirmed, click Assign Value. Place height. The test way is same as pick height. Pull down the nozzle to touch the PCB and assign value. Holding height. After the nozzle picks up the material, the height at which the nozzle maintains. The default value is 5. Largest value is -18. Common notes on material information. Pick retry when the material picking failure exceeds the set value. The machine will alarm. Material rotation, the angle of the material. Material priority, mount from small to large. 0 represents the default. Dump back. If the identification error is thrown to the original position, it only supports tray. Default is false. Quick identification, directly modify the angle for mounting. It only support up-looking camera. Default is false. You can choose the corresponding nozzle to make the picking test. If the picking test result is red, you need check the footprint size X and Y. The footprints data should be similar as the picking test. After change the data, you need picking test again to check if the result is green or not. You need picking test at least 3 times to check the result is stable or not. Clear. Clear the identified image. Save means save the setting of file. Enter work. After the material setting is completed, enter work interface for mounting. Back to file means return to the file list interface.